how to make pop-up caption effect in CapCut. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to add pop-up caption effect in your CapCut. After you open up now the CapCut, I'll go to this option now, caption. After you go to the caption, now select the language of your video, and then you click on this template. After you select the template, then you scroll to down. After you scroll to down in this option, you go to box. Under the box, so here it will give you all the pop-up as can see now, like this one or this one. So you can select any one of them. So for me, I will scroll to down. Let's say I want to use this one. So after you select the one that you want to use, give it some second. It will give you the free view of the text on your screen before even you go to the creating section.
The American Express
So
Platinum
here
card is
as
one
you
of the
can see
most
now, here is the
well-known.
preview of my caption. So you can go ahead now and choose the one that you want to use. So I'll go with this one. After I select this one, I'll click on this generate button. So now we waited for some second to finish generating the caption. So after some seconds, now here is my caption. As you can see now, if I just play the video,
The American Express Platinum card.
now here is the caption. You just give the pop-up
Is one of the most well-known.
like this one. So now if you want to change the color, you can just highlight all the text. You go to this option, you can change the size of the caption by taking it back like this. So that's it guys on how to create or how to make pop-up caption effect in the CapCut. Hope this video helps. Like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.